There's a way. Everybody's sorry if I had you.
Hello everyone and welcome to Batang Bulaga kami, and let's all welcome the second winner of Born Rap and Rock for the close of Bulaga, at siya ay si Dominador Viola Jr. ang Michael Bolton ng Davao Oriental. Isa si Dominador or Mang Domeng Kanga na hinintay na lumaban dahil sa kaboses niya talaga si Michael Bolton. At maganda din ang performance na pinakita niya, kaya walang kaduda-duda na siya ang mananalo. Naging challenge song niya ay ang Yesterday ng Beatles. At dito, sa kanta ng Beatles ay magugustuhan mo paano niya kinanta. Kahit si Bossing, napahanga niya sa husay ng pagkagawa at pagkakanta niya.
Something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh,
Alright, congratulations to you, Dominador Viola Jr. At ang ganda ng pagkapanalo mo. For full video, visit the official channel of Eat Bulaga and don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching here.